So hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I will show you how I make my roasted marinated chicken thigh. See ya! So tonight I will cook a marinated chicken thigh. I will tell you what did I put on my marinated chicken thigh. I will place this one first. Okay. Okay, chicken thigh so big. Okay, so I use marinate my chicken thigh. I use a barbecue sauce and a little bit salt and paprika and black pepper. That's it. So I marinated this for 4 hours. So it's the same. So set the oven, broil, and set the timer. I like in the first side, so I like 7 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, start. Okay, so just like that, easy start. Okay, close and wait for the time, 7 minutes, and that's it. Okay, so 7 minutes already. Okay, so it's done on the other side, and then flip over. Chicken thigh. Okay, and add more sauce at the top. Okay, and set the timer 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so close the oven. Wait for about 5 minutes and then it's all done. So wait for 5 minutes and then it's perfectly nice cooked roasted chicken thigh. Okay. Hello. Okay, so past 5 minutes already, so it's time to take out the chicken thigh. Okay, so look. It's perfect roasted chicken thigh. Okay, so roasted marinated chicken thigh with roasted Brussels sprouts and yellow squash ready for dinner. Okay, so thank you for watching the videos, and if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.